Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm here to guide you through the process of importing UDP configs on the HTTP Custom VPN. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Step 1. To begin, head over to the Play Store and download the HTTP Custom VPN application. Once the installation is complete, launch the app, and you'll find yourself on the home screen. Step 2. Now, let's ensure that the UDP settings are enabled. Simply check the UDP box to activate this feature. Step 3. Next, it's time to import the UDP Custom Config file that you downloaded earlier. Tap on the plus icon located at the bottom right corner of the app screen, then select the Open Config button to proceed. Step 4. You'll be directed to the HTTP Custom folder by default. From there, navigate to the Download folder where your file is located. Tap on the UDP file to import it into the app. Step 5. Once the file is successfully imported, tap on the Connect button to initiate the VPN connection. And there you have it, folks. By following these simple steps, you can easily import UDP configs on your HTTP Custom VPN. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And of course, hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more tutorials. Until next time, happy browsing.